Alright, hello guys. Welcome to the last part of our lecture video on home office, branch, and agency accounting. So this time we will be discussing interbranch transfers. Ano nga ba ang interbranch transfers? 'Di ba doon sa previous videos natin, palaging nakatuon lang tayo sa transactions between the home office and branch. Pansin nyo, isang branch lang palagi, di ba? Dito naman, sa interbranch transfers, there will be more than one branch. Okay? Tingnan nyo ha. Di ba, meron tayong home office. Tapos, let's say, meron siyang dalawang branch. Branch 1, branch 2. Pagka sinabi nating interbranch transfers, this time ang focus natin ay yung transactions between branches naman. How do we account this time kung dalawang branch nagkaroon ng transactions sa isa't isa? Ang tatandaan nyo lang ganito, no? It will be as if, take note, as if they are transacting with the home office. Accounting for interbranch transfers is based on the idea that as if they were transacting with the home office. Tandaan nyo, ano nga ulit yung mga mga tawag dito, yung reciprocal accounts. Nandyan si branch current at si home office current. Ang branch current, palaging makikita lang sa libro ng home office. Ang home office current, makikita palagi sa libro ng branch. Hindi pwede magkaroon ng branch current account ang libro ng mga branch. Okay? So, as if they are transacting with the home office. Ang i-discuss natin dito will be interbranch transfers of cash and merchandise. Okay? Problem 6. Problem 6 deals with interbranch transfers of cash. Pinakasimple muna guys. No? Pinakasimple lang. Okay? Sige. Mindoro branch is authorized by home office to transfer 20,000 cash to Palawan branch. Prepare the journal entries in the books of the home office and the two branches for the above interbranch cash transfer. Okay. Buksan natin ang libro ng home office, ang libro ng Mindoro branch, and ano isa? Palawan. Okay? Ready na? Sige. Sino ang magpapadala ng cash? Si Mindoro. Papunta kay Palawan. So, ang senaryo, mababawasan ng cash si Mindoro, madadagdagan ng cash si Palawan. Okay, ano entrada? Ano entrada? Sir, hindi namin alam. Ano ba ibig sabihin as if they were transacting with the home office? Tagalogin natin. As if nakikipag-transact sila sa home office. So, ibig sabihin, yung entries will be based on the premise that they are transacting with the home office itself. So, pag mababawasan ng cash yung branch, ano entrada natin? It is as if nagre-remit siya ng cash sa home office. Debit, home office current, 20,000. Credit, cash, 20,000. Sa libro naman ni Palawan, madadagdagan siya ng cash and as if nanggaling kay home office yung pera. Nakuha ba ako? Nakuha nyo, ayan no? Nag-remit ng cash si Mindoro kay home office pero sa totoo lang, binigay niya to kay Palawan. Tapos sa libro ni Palawan, it is as if yung cash nanggaling sa home office. Gets? E di ano sir ang magiging entrada sa libro ni home office? Debit, branch current, Palawan, 20, credit, branch current, Mindoro, 20. Kita nyo? Nagre-reciprocate sila. Yan o. Nagre-reciprocate yung accounts. Tama? Ganyan ang scenario pag nagkakaroon ng interbranch transfers. Malinaw? Di ba? Simple lang. Okay? That's problem 6. Problem 7. Ayan, the last problem of our handout. Problem 7 deals with interbranch transfers of merchandise. Okay, we are asked to prepare the journal entries in the books of the home office and the two branches for the interbranch transfer of merchandise and to determine the following. Number 1 muna tayo. Tinatanong tayo, how much is the excess freight? Now, ayoko naman ibigay agad sa inyo yung formula without explaining kung bakit ganyan yung formula ng excess freight. Instead, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung scenario. Basahin nyo muna yung problem. Ayan. On November 15, Tagaytay branch ships part of its stock to Rizal branch upon authorization by the home office. Originally, Tagaytay branch had been billed for this merchandise at 1,600 and had paid freight charges of 350. Rizal branch, upon receiving the merchandise, pays freight charge of 250 pesos. If the shipment had been made from the home office directly to Rizal branch, the freight would have been 400 lang. Okay, parang ganito yan guys, no? Home office to. Tapos, ano yung unang branch? Tagaytay ba yun? Tagaytay and Rizal. Layo, no? Ayan. Tingnan nyo, ha? Originally, the Tagaytay branch had been billed for the merchandise at 1,600 and had paid freight charges of 350. So, nung pinadala ni home office kay Tagaytay yung goods, nagbayad si Tagaytay magkano? 350 freight. Tama? Tapos, inauthorize niya si Tagaytay na ipadala kung ano yung pinadala ni home office sa kanya to Rizal branch. Tapos, pagdating kay Rizal, nagbayad ulit ng 250 peso freight charge. Okay? Ayan. So far, magkano yung total freight paid? 350 plus 250. That will be 600 pesos. Para mas ma-emphasize, tingnan natin. If the shipment had been made from the home office directly to Rizal branch, the freight would have been 400. Kung dumiretso lang dapat daw kay Rizal, dapat daw 400 lang ang freight charge. Diba? Pero magkano yung total na binayad? 600. So, how much is the excess freight? Alam niyo na kung paano sasagutin yan. So, how do we compute for the excess freight? That will be total freight paid less the should be freight. Diyan nyo makukuha yung tinatawag nating excess freight. Total freight paid is 600. Tama? Should be freight is 400. So, magkano excess freight natin? 200 pesos. Sagot natin sa number 1, 200 pesos. Ano treatment ng excess freight? This is a loss. Loss on interbranch transfers. Saan nire-record itong loss? Saan niya nire-record? Sa libro ni home office. Ay, ba't ko nagsara? Ayan, biglang nagsara yun na. Okay? Take note of that. Excess freight will be recorded as a loss in the books of the home office. Claro? Okay? So, official answer number 1, 200. Okay? Numbers 2 to 5. Ang gagawin natin dito, titignan na natin yung entrada. Okay? Para mamaya, tuloy-tuloy natin masasagutan itong numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Mabilis lang yan. No? Ang mabagal lang dito is yung analysis natin. Okay? Sige. So, iyan natin, ibabalik natin sa pinakasimula yung scenario para maintindihan nyo ano ang nangyari. Okay? Sige. Now, nangyari, November 15, inutusan na ni Home Office si Tagaytay na ipadala kay Rizal yung goods. Tama? Ayan. Pero, before November 15 muna tayo. Lagay natin, before November 15. Ano ba nangyari before November 15? Si Home Office nagpadala ng goods kay Tagaytay. Debit, branch current, Tagaytay. Okay? Letter T is Tagaytay, ha? Magkano yon? 1,600. Next. Sino nagbayad ng freight? Si Tagaytay, tama? Okay, so sa libro ni Home Office, yan ay debit, branch current Tagaytay, credit, shipments to Tagaytay, 1,600. Sa libro ni Tagaytay, debit, shipments from Home Office, 1,600. And nagbayad ng freight, debit, freight in. Magkano yun? 350. Credit, Home Office current, 1,600. Credit, cash. Nagbayad eh. Gets? Yan ang nangyari before November 15. November 15, ayan na. Inauthorize daw ni Home Office ni Tagaytay na ipadala kay Rizal yung goods. So ano entrada sa libro ni Tagaytay nung ipapadala kay Rizal? Debit, Home Office current. It is as if nakikipag-transact sila sa Home Office. Pero mamaya na natin lagyan ng amount. Nakuha, credit, shipments from Home Office. Buong 1,600. Dahil wala na sa kanya yung shipment, pati yung freight in, tatanggalin niya. Okay? Tatanggalin yan. Are we all clear? Clear ba tayo? Okay? Sino nagbayad ng 250? Si Rizal, no? So, sa libro ni Tagaytay, ni-charge niya yung Home Office current amounting to 1,950. Next. Libro naman ni Branch. Libro ni Branch. Ano ang entrada? Debit, shipments from Home Office, 1,600. Freight in. Magkano? Sir, yung 250. No. For the freight in, okay, ang amount na i-debit natin sa freight in would be the should be freight, which is 400. Credit, cash. Magkano binayad? 250. Credit, Home Office current. Magkano to? 1,750. Klaro? Nasundan ako doon? Okay? Now, yan ang entrada sa libro nila, Tagaytay at Rizal. Ano naman ang nasa libro ni Home Office? Debit, branch current, Rizal. Magkano ang credit niya sa Home Office current? 1,750. Leave one space, credit, branch current, Tagaytay. Magkano yon? 1,950. May kulang sa debit. How much? 200. Ano tong 200? That's the loss on interbranch transfers. Di ba yan yung sagot natin sa number 1 kanina? Nakuha ulit siya sa journal entries. Ayos? Nasundan? So this is the full-blown concept of the interbranch merchandise transfer. Okay? Sige, pwede na natin sagutin. Number 2, how much was debited to the Home Office current account in the books of Tagaytay branch to reflect the interbranch transfer of merchandise? Sagot natin, ito, 1,950. For number 2, sagot is 1,950. How much was credited, number 3, to the Home Office current account in the books of Rizal branch to reflect the interbranch transfer? Ito naman yon. Number 3. Number 4, how much was debited to the branch current Rizal in the books of the Home Office to reflect the interbranch transfer? Sagot natin, ito, Number 4, 1,750. Last one, how much was credited to the branch current Tagaytay in the books of the home office to reflect the interbranch transfer? Ang sagot natin, 1,950. Okay? O, di ba? Mabilis lang siya masagutan pag okay na yung entries natin. Clear? And that ends our discussion on home office, branch, and agency accounting. I do hope na appreciate niyo si home office, branch, and agency accounting kahit medyo komplikado siya because of procedures. Marami nagsasabi na mahirap si home office, branch, and agency accounting dahil ang haba ng mga solution, no? Well, hindi natin ma-deny talagang mahaba solutions niya. Magiging madali siya pag alam nyo kung bakit ginagawa yung ganong procedures. Okay? So, sana na-meet ko yung objective ko na ma-simplify ko sa inyo si home office, branch, and agency accounting. Okay? So, don't forget to share this to your friends and classmates, no? Make them join into our group para may access din sila sa mga free accounting lectures natin. Okay, so thank you for listening, guys. Hope to see you in our next video upload.